English Grammar Explained. Dive into compound prepositions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into an important but often overlooked area of English grammar: compound prepositions. Yes, you heard it right. Today's session is all about understanding what compound prepositions are, how to identify them, and how they can change the way we communicate. So, let's get started. In order to understand compound prepositions, we need to break down the term. A preposition is a word or set of words that shows location, time, direction, or manner. Simple prepositions are words like on, in, at, from. Now, when we take a simple preposition and combine it with another word or words, it forms a compound preposition. Compound prepositions are groups of two or more words that function together as a preposition. They are a key part of English grammar, and knowing how to use them will greatly improve your fluency and understanding of the language. For example, consider according to, due to, in front of, instead of, and out of. All these phrases are acting as one unit to connect and establish a relationship between elements in a sentence. Thus they are compound prepositions. Now that we know what compound prepositions are, let's dive into some examples. We waited outside of the cinema for you. She's meeting us in front of the library. The plan was cancelled due to bad weather. In all these examples, the compound prepositions outside of, in front of, and due to are used to connect phrases and give additional meaning or context to the sentence. Remember, these compound prepositions act as a single unit. This means that you can't just take out a word from the preposition without changing the meaning of the sentence. One common mistake learners often make is confusing compound prepositions with other grammatical constructs. For instance, in spite of is a compound preposition, but despite is a single-word preposition. They both convey the same meaning, but they are structurally different. We went to the park, in spite of the rain. We went to the park, despite the rain. Both sentences have the same meaning, but in spite of is a compound preposition, and despite is a simple preposition. And that's a wrap on compound prepositions. Remember, prepositions are crucial in English grammar, and understanding how to use them properly will make your communication clearer and more nuanced. Don't shy away from them, but embrace these small words with big impacts. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. Happy learning!